Ladies and gentlemen, dearly welcome. I'm Julian from Enlightened Money, and today I want to speak about incredible potentials of technology and the investments that are connected with technology, and how can you take advantage of this in these years. Of course, if you choose so. Everything I say here is simply the perspective of our company, is simply our own perspective, and is not official financial or investment advice. So please simply take it as educational and informational material. That being said, it has never been time on earth where transformation would be happening quicker than it's happening today. And technology is leading it. You can see from year 2000 until 2025, there's like completely new world. In 2000, no one was watching in the screen all the time. Today, there's almost not a person when you go on a bus or somewhere that's not looking into the screen. So incredible difference, incredible innovation, incredible transformation. Is that good? Is it not? That is another topic. We could have a big discussion about the effects of such rapid technology advancements and innovation on the whole human consciousness and humanity as a whole, but that's another discussion. We're going to talk about potentials, investment potentials here in connection with technology. So as you know, there are multiple technological companies that are highly successful, like Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, Tesla. You got Coinbase for crypto now, and so on, Binance. There are incredible companies, and they are leading the world of innovation, of, let's say, new technology integration. And there are also multiple startups. As we all know, artificial intelligence has become extremely influential and popular. It's becoming part of our everyday life for everyone, whether they like it or not. And again, we can discuss the consequences and effects of artificial technology much more, and what does it mean. But like I said, I decided I'm going to keep it I'm going to keep the discussion connected to the potentials, to the investing potentials that are connected with technology. So are they incredible? In my opinion, absolutely yes. Were they even more incredible like 5 years ago or 3 years ago? Probably yes. I was explaining also back then, when the market wasn't so hyped yet with artificial intelligence and blockchain technology that represents crypto. The prices were much lower at the time, the valuations were much lower. So was it a grander opportunity back then? Possibly so, yes. But is it too late now? In my opinion, definitely not, especially if you're looking at it long term. Because technology is gonna keep on expanding and expanding, probably to the degrees that we cannot even imagine in these moments. Like, how is the world gonna look like in 2050? Who knows? Nobody knows, actually, because all these advancements and creations are unknown. Nobody knows. People can feel or maybe sense what can be happening, but no one can really say in this moment. So are these companies who are dealing with technology gonna bring a lot of profits to the investors? Yeah, probably, very possibly. It's not, this is not, I'm absolutely saying it once again, that this is not in any way financial recommendation or anything like this. I don't know exactly what's gonna happen, but I'm speaking from my perspective, my knowledge, my wisdom. And I can see where the world is going, I can feel it. And I did also a lot of research, I checked a lot of things, and that's where I stand with the team of Enlightened Money. And yes, but can you now pick a certain company or a certain cryptocurrency, etc., etc.? That's much harder to do, because you don't know where certain companies that are very big now are going to be in 15 years. Or you don't know exactly where certain cryptocurrency that is very strong now is going to be in 15 years. But if you invest in the baskets of great technology companies, in the baskets of great cryptocurrencies, and also maybe invest in technology in some other ways, through private equity, or there are some other potentials, then sure, then you lower the risk tremendously and you higher the potential for the profits tremendously. And I want to keep it joyful as well, because there's so much seriousness around money and investing. So let's keep it a bit more playful and relaxed and joyful, but let's still keep it on a very respectful, professional and quality level. So you know that what I'm talking about here is meant seriously, so to speak, but I'm presenting it in a more relaxed way, so there's not so much tense energy, there's not so much, resistance in this money world and nervousness and all of this. Because what is money actually? Money is energy, and it's your energy, and you can do with it whatever you want. So if you'd like to invest some of it in technology potentials, in technology products, you're more than welcome to do so. And company Enlightened Money can definitely help you with this. You're also welcome to book an introductory call with me and my team, and we'll be glad to present more to you. We also did a deep research. We can show you this. If you choose some more premium services, you can also get the research done on these topics, where you can see exactly what products, what services do we believe in with the company. And then if you choose so, you can simply, with a few clicks, also invest in these options. For instance, you can invest in, 500 best technology companies in the world, and then, in my opinion, you can sleep well. Because even if some companies are not going to be successful, then others are going to be. What is the likelihood that all the good technology companies are going to just collapse in 20, 30 years? I think it's so low. And also these baskets of technology stocks, technology companies, or baskets of great cryptocurrencies and the projects and companies that are representing these cryptocurrencies, they are being led and taken care of by some other providers, so you don't have to do it personally. So those companies that are not successful anymore are simply going out of the basket, and some new ones come in. And with cryptocurrencies, you also have the option to buy such baskets, or you can also buy singular cryptocurrencies on your own, and then you will have to deal with it. But it's up to you. We can explain more about this as well, because there are different options how to do it. And it's not complicated. Let's be clear. You can do all this research and find all explanations and recommendations and all of this on your own. There's so many resources on the web, etc. But it's gonna take time, and you need some passion to do it, and you need to clarify who you can trust, who you can't trust, where you're willing to put higher amounts of money, etc., etc. So there are some considerations here. And if you choose our service, we're gonna help you create a big shortcut here, because we did all this research. We can show you what exchanges, what brokers do we recommend, or let's say, are we seeing as really quality ones? And then, of course, you can choose. We don't manage your money. We do not make financial direct recommendations at all. It's all in your hands. You click what you buy, but we can lead you through each and every step, so it can be completely simple for you. And we found this way very, let's say, balanced. It's also affirming your sovereignty, but we give you great educational material where you do not have to learn a lot, because we did this for you, so to speak. But you can still see the overview. You can see what currencies represent something, what currencies represent something else, what technology companies represent here, maybe in the USA, maybe in the Europe, maybe in Asia, or you can invest in like basket of technology stocks worldwide with few clicks. But how to do it, where exactly to do it, where to store the stocks, where to store the cryptocurrencies and all of this, Yes, that's where we can serve you, absolutely, and it's gonna make your life easier. But if you're not resonating with our service, you can also do it on your own or find someone else that you resonate with. We like to do it with ease, with respect, and also with some grace and relaxation, so we'll make the whole investing and money much more pleasant. So this was the presentation of technology in connection with investments. Yes, I personally believe there is still a grand potential also in the investment sense for technology. And if you are willing to explore it more, dearly welcome. Thank you very much for watching this video. I wish you all the best.